Okay, this is how to find Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, latest news. Similar to finding articles, we have news.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
.bitcoin.com, as we can see right here. We have the latest news, even the first tab where it says news. We have different categories you can break up, finding your news for the most part. You can scroll down. This actually has way more articles and news updates. In my opinion, they're basically just broken down into different categories. We have the most popular news. I'm guessing that ranks by searches for the most part. And we have the spotlight, press releases. We have what's featured on this news as well, and etc. I'll leave a link to this down in the video description. The next website is bitbo.io. I like this because it also shows the price of Bitcoin, and it has pretty much all of the different information as you were to scroll down. But if you were to scroll up, basically, as you can see, we have the future halvings and economics, etc. Mining stats, difficulty, blockchain. We have articles or news right here in the top right hand screen. If we were to click on one of them, unfortunately you only get 4 or 5 at the same time, and I don't think you can find them once they're gone, so you're gonna have to bookmark them, more or less, give or take. But comment down below if you know something else. The next one is cointelegraph.com. This one is actually pretty self-explanatory, but there's a lot of articles and news, and you can even see how many views they each get, which I think is a pretty cool sign. But yeah, check out this website. And then we have decrypt.co. Pretty similar, they're all completely for free.